Joey B, Baltimore, stand up. I'm a lyrical genius, a musical mastermind. Rap around and pass the time, jump back in the sack to grind. I cannot give up to this. I have too much self-respect, even through the helplessness. When I'm just like the hell with this, compelled to this. Felt this little close so I can smell the wind. Something I never felt again. Just wait till rebel yell again. I'm telling you, man, we coming with the real in this year. Y'all gonna hear what the fuck I feel. I'm ill. Throw us a bone, give us the deal and leave us alone. You beating me, that's like defeating Stallone. Adrian in my corner, we gon' fight to the finish. Bell ringing, I get to swinging for my life in this business, yeah. Baltimore staying tough, we gon' run this city. Conspiracy mind theory, ain't none this witty, yeah.
Jesus on your side, carry his charm with you. Niggas in this state got harm issues. Bullets to your face will get your mind straight. From East Chase up to Hazard Grace. Need to be more aggressive, we stuck in last place. Be more streets, flooded with hate. Claim unite, someone claims they better. Hella issues too long to measure. When it comes to beef, it leaves on the stretcher. Motherfuckers criticize, do it for pleasure. We all want money, let's get that treasure. My man Wale reps DC. We need a representative from BCMD. Lyrical rapper, my knowledge is key. All about payola, no hookers for free. Niggas broke, other dudes got money, no joke, no balance. MD stand up, let's end this silence. Let's end this silence.
Follow me, Baltimore, all the way out to Germany. Open up your doors on command or we turn the keys. Locksmiths, duplicate a master fit any lock. CMT style stacking up like cinder block. Building up a fort of our own from my house to a home. Wittiness made of 5 chromosomes fit and active. Full of vitamins, A and D, calcium and protein. Makes a healthy MC. Got a flock and it's more on the way. We starving with the Charm City Rush, no suppressor delay. Take years to tighten up the chain, but we won't unify. We not using our brains. Gotta get up off the block, travel everywhere, stay anytime. Put the world on our back with hypnosis of sound. Throw your hands up, take charge, the man up. Got a lot of talent over here. Baltimore, stand up. 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 Baltimore, stand up.
410 says stop snitching, it should be stop hating. They show no love around here, cause they not patient. Can you see where they coming from? The cops chasing to get us all locked up with our minds racing. No money for bail, well, you know mom's pacing. They try and come up with it heavy like a rock station. For the cash we wrap around his wrist like a lock bracelet. Really got no one else but ourselves as the top favorite. Times are hard, so the city got a lot basic. You caught us chillin' with a couple bars before we got wasted. These hoes are too big of a tease. These bros looking for the next trigger to squeeze. Put you on blast is more than a figure of speech. And they got something from the punk ass kids up the street. And that's what you're aiming for. Forget what your plan was. Another city in our face.
Watch Baltimore stand
Y'all
up.
wanna hear me? My shit go when you hear it. Bounce around a couple times out the other side, y'all don't even hear it. So just feel me in spirit or respect my wishes. You can check the list, it's not too much to ask. Just pay attention for 20 seconds. 16 bars, maybe not even. I might just end it on a bar that maybe not even. I just wanna say, you can check my rap sheet, dog. I'm vicious, so God bless Baltimore. I hate all you bitches.
Deuces.